everybody, welcome back to my channel with some of my artistic touch of my life and my work. So today we are going to do facial at home with my favorite brand, which is Lotus Herbal, and I love that brand because it is natural, one thing, and it just suits my skin really nicely. And I have taken a really small kit for my skin itself. And yes, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. For doing your facial at home, just to tell you one point, that if you want a glow for your function or event or anything, then do your facial 3 days before the function or event, so you will get a beautiful glow on that special day. Yeah, I'm doing this facial with this beautiful kit. I love Lotus Herbals and I'm using this kit. This kit is from Radiant Diamond. So I love this. I love all the ranges of this kit, maybe many of the kits. So I love this. This is for all skin types. Before I start my facial, I do use this detan face mask from Raga, and I love this. It removes my tan and everything, and after that I do my facial. So let's start with this.
So this is how it looks. It is a really creamy texture. Apply it on your skin, hands or legs, anywhere you can apply it. After it dries, you just wash it up, and let's start with the facial. Now I'm going to use this kit, this Radiant Diamond kit. In this kit you get this 4 packets, like every step is written like first, second, third, fourth. So likewise you're going to use all of them. Gently apply the scrub on your face and work up with the circular motion for 15 seconds, and then you can just wash it off with water or a moist cotton cloth. Now let's use the filer to remove the blackheads, whiteheads from your nose and all. Before that you need to steam it, so we'll start a steamer and we'll just take all the steam into our face, and then we are going to use our filer onto the blackheads and whiteheads very gently. Use this really gently on your nose, your forehead, your chin area, wherever you feel like you have the blackheads, and also remove it really gently. And then we are going to go for the second step. Next we are going to use the activator. We are going to take 7 or 5 drops and apply onto your face and massage it for 2 or 3 minutes really gently, and without wiping it. We are going to go over the next step. Apply the massage cream onto your skin and move on with the circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes as everything get absorbed on your skin, and go on more cream if you require. After 15 minutes, wipe the cream with the damp cloth. Next we are going to use the mask. Just mix the mask in a little bit of water as I do, and then apply to your skin. Keep it till it dries and just wash it up after it dries, and then you can see the glow. My skin looks so radiant and fresh. I love it. I hope you also like this video, and if you like it, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.